Hey, how goes it? Good day. Good Wednesday. Thursday for some of you. My Indian folk. I don't know. I'm tired today. This might be a short stream. We'll see. We'll see how how much I get into the code today. I'm excited to get the Thyrus going, the new level, because that's going to be the tutorial level where you learn how to transport and meet your buddies, and it's going to be a lot of development to get you into Orbem. And yeah. Let's have some fun today. Woo! Yep, already yawning. What's up? Okay. Well, I mean, I don't really have much to say, so boop! There I am. Okay. Good position, pretty good position. yeah, it was good. So, mic is a little lower today. You know, if I look at the right angle, you could see my lips. I know. Calm down. Yeah, I'm usually looking kind of down to type anyways, so the sound will still be good when I'm talking most of the time, but you know, I can be a little more away from the mic. But be nice if I could angle this. Yeah, you can, but only this way. This way. Just from how I have it. Don't worry, we're not going to spend another 30 minutes dealing with mic positioning today. But up. Let's see here. I know I ended yesterday's stream with a really annoying ass bug, and that was that the map SVG custom field was not saving. I don't fucking know why. I don't like it. And update on my headless kind of messing around sandbox. Like, I got it running, pulling post data, whatever. I'm having issues getting it running with custom post types. Like getting the custom post type data into the GraphQL. I obviously don't know how to insert data in, like, new data into the GraphQL schema. So I gotta, I mean, I know it's in the GraphQL because I used GraphQI to query it, and it's querying, but it's not getting to the front end data. Love this new song. I know it's kind of quiet. Still good though. You like that? That's how I dance, by the way. If you ever meet me and we're in a club dancing, that's what you have to look forward to. We'll also be in hell, probably. The fictional negative bad land of hell, because that's the only place you'll catch me in a club. Is if I'm being forced to, being tortured, dancing in a club. I'm just kidding. You want to know the truth? I used to fucking hit up the clubs, man. Whew. Had some fun. Hey, Beto, talking about my clubbing days. Very important to the dev community. Yeah, I used to love going to any bar, dance bar, club, or whatever. Me and my wife used to go a bunch of places. A lot of gay clubs, which were much more fun. Way more energy. Way better booze. Everyone was just fucking, I don't know, everyone was probably high, I don't know, but it was a lot. It's good. It's good. Good music. And I've been told that my dancing is very entertaining. Feels good to me. Looks good to me. From my eyes, seeing my hands, and feeling the rhythm. Feels like I'm dancing great. But yeah, between the inebriation and my confidence level. That probably looked really funny. I'm old and fat. Everything jiggles when I dance now. Now the only time I dance is to bug my daughter. So where the F is the... So this is the Explore Map SVG. This is what's not saving. And I know that it used to, so I don't think it's a sanitization, even though it's a path, a URL path. Well, let's start fresh. Maybe I was just tired, and maybe it's saving fine. Locally, it has not been saving, but let's see. I do see a console error. What the fuck? WooCommerce coming soon, CSS. WooCommerce, why are you in my way? Coming soon, CSS. Do I have a plugin update or something? No. Okay. Oh yeah, this is updated. Okay. Well, I don't have a lot of plugins. Sign of a great WordPress developer. Less than 20 plugins. Just saying. Another sign of a great WordPress developer. Check out their themes. If they have no themes but the custom one, then they're gangsters. I am not a gangster. I kept these two for no reason. You know what? Now I'm making myself look bad. Let's delete these themes. No need for you. Taking up space on my server. Wah. Delete. Oh yeah. Look at that. One theme to rule them all. Myropelia. Also the name of the new book coming out, Myropelia. Is that a weird name? There it is, look at that. The one and only theme. Authored by Scott Adrian. Custom theme for the World of Orbem website. Why'd I call it the World of Orbem? It's the world. You know what? Oh hey! Freedom's back. What up, man? We got Beto here too. He's another WordPress programmer. Oh my god. Hold on, there's a dog being attacked. It's the old one. Got a 16-year-old Yorkie Chihuahua. Just a big fat guy. And he doesn't want to die. He just wants to annoy us for another 10 years. Seriously, man. Get into the WordPress world. And I've been fucking around with headless lately. Using Faust.js. And, which I think I'm saying correctly. Could be Faust. I keep saying Faust. It's FAUST.js. And it can be pretty cool, man. I haven't gotten it fully working with custom post types yet. That's what I'm working on right now. But the Next.js setup, I mean, it's as powerful as any other app. Can you give me GUIs, how to get it going? Yeah. Easiest way to do it is go here. Guides. I'm just, I'm reading, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to make you feel bad for typos. Believe me, I'm constantly doing typos. This is where you go. This is the easiest way you're going to get just like a local setup going. This is what I use for all my local development. And besides having your own custom like Docker image or using WPM to set up a local environment, this is the easiest shit in the world. And it's by WP Engine, which they're cash grabs, to be honest. WP Engine is just about making money these days, but they have acquired great products. Flywheel is what I use for my hosting. It has a connection to local, which is how I push up my code stuff so easy. And I hate ACF, but they have ACF. Studio Press is another one. Wait, what? Delicious Brains. Oh yeah. I forgot. The parent company is called Delicious Brains. For some reason, I was thinking it was the same as my IDE's company, which is... what is it? It's called JetBrains. Okay. I was about to freak out. Like, wait, no. They bought PHP Storm? That makes no sense. Alright, anyways. Yeah, go there. Download this thing. Start your first WordPress site. Don't use a guide. Guides are stupid. Use the site to learn. Get it going. Get in there. Get in the admin. Get into this shit. No, not this shit. Get into this shit. Get into the editor. Build content. Look at the front end. View the source of the front end. Look at HTML. Like, this is gonna give you what you need. You'll know how page templates are classed. You'll know, how the admin bar comes up. All the little quirks and things. And just by looking around, playing with it, creating pages, you'll jump into the code, and then you'll have your... I just deleted them, but you'll have some default themes. 2024 is the newest one, and you'll see how they work. It's very simple. They all start with a style CSS file. You want to build one that has a weatherman site, one that has a food suggestion location system, and then a login for paid users to get more custom advice. Yeah, all very possible. Well, I mean, you're not going to get a backend in Python in WordPress, but if you want to use Python to run apps, you can do that. You can still run Python apps, on a WordPress site. It'll just be, widgeted into the template, the HTML. Call a Python API or whatever the fuck. I'm not 100%. I mean, if you can make endpoints, yeah. Yeah, and yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, see, if you haven't, if you have an API to call, you can do that with WordPress, no problem. I mean, you can integrate any API. And if you need WordPress just for the content management, then PM2 on its own. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, and that's why it'll be good to see. Oh, you use Fast API. Python setup. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's why it's good to go into the theme, because that's where you're going to put it. You're going to put the Python portions inside here, in the directory, and then you'll just call it. And you can call it like this, so like with an include, and or you can, however, main reason I have to use Python is because Quantum Simulator, yeah, which makes sense. Yeah, and if you could just, honestly, yeah, if you want to just throw your Python in some lambdas, and just call the lambda functions from WordPress. If they're not going to be regularly hit, obviously, something that you're just gonna, like a special feature or whatever. Could be cost effective that way too. serverless, quick. Get in there. But yeah, if you want to get up and running, I'd start with just local. That's, you know, that's what I have my local running in right now. You tried also the Lambda path too, but the quantum made the entire image oh shit, it's too big, so it needs a Docker image. Okay. Okay. Docker, yeah, that works. Because the Lambdas fire so quickly. Yeah, I guess so. It's cool you can run Lambdas parallel though, and like run a bunch at the same time. And I remember doing a crawler where I ran 1,000 URLs, and it took probably about 10 minutes. No, not even 10 minutes. It took about 5 minutes to run all 1,000 sites through a crawler, because they were all just through the Lambda and they were running in parallel. Really good for fast stuff. And when you use Lambda, you have access to all the other AWS stuff. If you're using DynamoDB, you can make DynamoDB within the Lambda calls as well. It would be very cheap to run the quantum sins in the Lambda, yeah. Just we need to build the image. I think you're right, the Lambda, AWS, and WordPress on the platform. Yeah. It's a pretty sick setup. Should be so crazy cheap that amazing temp. Yeah, 100%. That would be pretty damn cheap. And definitely get you your demo. And you should have all the power that you need. And then you can scale, because it's already built in the system that can scale, you know? All you have to do is throw money at it like this. Do you have any good themes or guides how to theme it? Honestly, their default themes are pretty good. These right here, like you can choose one and just make a, you can just use a default theme, like one of these that comes with WordPress, and then you can make a child theme off of it, like this 2020 here, 2021, and there's 2022, 2023. They make a new one every year. And you could just create a child theme and just override some of the templates and stuff like that with your child theme. That's what I did for this site here, for the Ryan Wood Show. RyanWoodShow.com. So this is 2023, I believe. And I just created a child theme so that I could, you know, add a custom post type for videos. You know, I just created this archive page for all his videos. So, yeah, and you know, I didn't mind just creating a quick child theme because I didn't feel like building an entirely custom theme for that. I have my kind of starter theme that I use for OrbemOrder.com, and I kind of use it everywhere else, you know, when I don't want to start with something third party. But yeah, I would just use one of these. And then, actually, I think we can double check, see which one I'm actually using. I don't remember. Just Scott? No, I don't remember what it is. Anyways, yeah, just use a default theme that comes with WordPress, and you can just create a child theme off of it. Child themes are really easy to do. You just do this here. Child themes, here we go. So all you have to do is basically define the right here. So you have your child theme, and then you use this little thing called template, and you just put the theme that you are taking all the grandfather stuff from. And then after that point, you have your own theme that is a carbon copy of the 2024 theme. And then anytime you add a template file in your theme, it overrides the one from the parent. So if you want to customize the header, you just put your own header file in your theme, and it starts using that one. And that's kind of how child themes work. So it takes everything from the parent other than what you have in your theme. That's why it's a pretty, you know, it's a quick way of of getting a nice custom theme going really fast. And then you can rely on the parent. All you have to do is copy over the template from the parent theme and just tweak it how you want to. And that way, every time they make an update to 2024, it's not going to break all your changes. Because if you made changes directly into the parent theme, every time it upgrades, because these are all open source, you know, through an SVN repository, every time they make an update, it'll just, you know, refresh all the changes you made, and then you'll lose them. That's why the child theme will stay alive, all your changes will remain, and you're good to go. Build process. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't want to get into this. Every time I get too heavy into the new WordPress, I get a little overwhelmed. I know React and stuff, but I've been doing WordPress for so long. I really like some of the more simpler developments, like what I'm building here. Where was I? Yeah, I need to figure out why the map SVG is not saving. So let's actually double check. That's what I was doing. I was gonna double check why, or if it's saving. Map, oh, that needs to be an area. There we go. And I created Thyrus. I don't think it matters if there's an explore area defined to it. I think that doesn't matter. Okay. Yeah, so none of this. Let's see if this saves. We go boop. And I click update. And I'm not seeing any major. Yeah, there's no console errors on save. Says it's being updated. Let's check the payload. Make sure it is saving. Alright. What you got? This is all the edit message. Here we go. Yeah, look at that. Map SVG is being sent in the post call. Explore map SVG. And in response, whatever, nothing. Let's see if we got map SVG's coming back empty still in response, which is not what I want. Yeah, it's fucking weird. Alright, let's double check here. I don't know what could have changed. Nothing has changed. I mean, I guess I've added a bunch of new shit, but I don't know why that would matter. Let's actually get the database up and running real quick. And this has like an admin or evo. You can jump right into your database from the browser, which is cool. I mean, I have SQL Pro and stuff, and I could go into it through a socket, which is also very convenient. But this is like, you just want to quick read the database, which we want post meta. We want to check. See, I think the main oh wait, what? This is 1409, okay. So the main problem is it's not saving at all, which is interesting. We know character position, okay, we know all that stuff. Okay, is there a logic that if it doesn't exist, don't save? Or did I not? Yeah, we have explore area, that's where we're saving. We're filtering the input, explore map SVG, that has not changed. That gives us the map. And then we got the map right here. Oh, that's right. Why didn't I? already know about this. Hold on, let's... I don't care if we have start top and left. Oh wait, do I care? I do care. Well, there's your problem. You need to define where the character starts when you load the new map. That's logical. See, this is all about me not having documentation for my own my own game engine. Not that I'd read it right now, but that is a good plan. Okay, starting. So let's just start it at 2000, 2000 like I always do. Now this should save. Boop. And now I should... Okay, cool. Well, then that means that I don't need to do any code changes. I just need to go back to Thyrus and see that it works. Boop. I never made Thyrus. What was I doing? Oh, I think I was creating the logic that sends you to the new area. Oh, that's right, that's right. Okay, so then I need to test it. That's what happens when you're programming something different every day. After going through a whole day of programming. At least I'm using the same languages, you know? I mean, if I spent all day working in Python and C# and fucking Node or whatever the fuck all day, and then I came and started working in PHP and vanilla JavaScript, probably be a lot more confusing. Okay, yeah, it's saving now. We are good. Alright, let's check it out, see if it works. Go. Oh yeah, I'm already in Thyrus. Let's restart and go to Thyrus. So now, when I finish the cutscene with Forno, the little orange guy, I should be sent to that t-shirt land. Let's go to console, because I'm already seeing errors here. Boop. Boop. Thank you. Oh, that's right, just bullshit. Here we go. And cutscene. So now when I end this cutscene, I should go to Thyrus. And I'll do that with the press of a spacebar. Boop. There we go. It works. We can now send my character to another level at the end of a cutscene. That will come in handy, you know? Whether you know, I said this, like, I could switch from day to night, which would be another level, or maybe the cutscene is him getting knocked out with chloroform and he wakes up somewhere new, you know, whatever I come up with to transition and move people forward. Alright, let's push this code up, and then we can continue. We can start making Thyrus, the tutorial level, where he gets to meet all his buddies, and he gets to learn how to use transportation and collect things and break things. Okay. Code. Push. And guess what I'm not going to do? I'm not going to deploy to production this time. And then wonder why stage doesn't have my changes. There we go. Alright. Yep. We're all good. Deploy. Now I gotta make the Thyrus map. You want to see me make a map? I mean, I know, you know, when I was writing the book, I know what Thyrus looks like. I know the general layout. You know, you got the waiting room with the receptionist. You go through some double doors, and then it's a massive warehouse. All the little science labs are split up with glass walls that are hanging from the rafters. But it's a grid, and they're it's coded by letter and number, like A2, you know, K4. Everyone has their own little grid. Their lab room. Indestructible glass walls. Blocks out sound too. Pretty advanced stuff. Wish I had those. And then if you go to the back, you go down hallway, then you got Bylon. They have a restaurant, which is like the only restaurant, but it's like giant. It's got a bar. And then if you go behind, then there's where everybody lives. Bunch of condos everywhere. Because everybody lives in the facility as well. Okay. Yep. I think we're good. I can make a map. That being said, I guess I'm just worried about blowing up the computer by opening Photoshop and Illustrator. But let's at least get the transition made first in Stage before I start making the map. And I still need to create the collision map for Foresight, the first place you start. But let's close local for now. I will not be needing you unless an error pops up, which it might. Okay, we're in our areas. We need to create a new one. This shall be virus. A boop. And we will start. Ooh, this is nice. Wait, why is the styling better in Stage? That's weird, right? What am I doing different in Stage? Has it not loaded yet? Huh. Interesting. Yeah, that's weird. It's not taking all my editor styling, so I can actually read the fields. Cool. I like it. That makes me think there's an error. I mean, I know there's an error. It's just like image errors, though. OO logo. Cropped OO logo. Okay, whatever. Huh. Interesting. Okay, we have this. We're not going to put anything there, but the starting position is going to be whatever. We'll do 2000, 2000 again. I don't want matte music yet because I don't really have any good music. I haven't made anything yet. And we'll do that. And then let's take a look at the map SVG that I'm going to use. I guess we can just reuse Foresight for now. In that case, might as well use... Oh, no, we don't have the collision yet. We'll use Foresight for now. Yeah, because you're coming from the CEO office, so there will be a difference. Womp. Okay. Seems like it's saving fine, so I guess those console errors are just superficial. Or they're just warnings. Huh. Alright. Let's see if the code has... Wait. Yeah. See if the code has changed. We'll flush the cache. And... I need to go to the cutscene. We'll go to Sowerson CEO office because this is where the transition's going to happen. And we should have some... Oh, there's that styling. Still looks better though. trigger point before. Okay, so the code has not gotten here yet because I should have a new field for next area. Let's clear my local cache. That tends to be a problem. Boop. Show me the field. The local cache seems to be cleared. It's taken a long time to load. Go. Nope. I did put it in here, right? Yeah. Pretty sure. Oh, next area. Oh shit, I forgot. I made it a taxonomy. I'm dumb. Correct. Let's create the next area. Boop. We will name it Thyris. Add. Good. And save. Okay. Now, since there is a next area assigned, that's where we go after the cutscene. All right. Let us try it out. Make sure stage is working like local. And we'll just start a new game. Yes, sir. Alright. Really would like it starting me center, but whatever. Here we go, here we go. Start him. Talk to me, buddy. And you know what? Go away. Get out of here, Salverson. Go to your office, you scumbag. Alright, I still have to change his path. He's going through a wall. Okay, and now let's follow him to his office. Which I need to create a collision point here, because I should not be able to go through that. Alright, now we're in the office, which has collision points. Oh, that's right. I never fixed the fact that I'm still walking like a fucking madman. God damn, why is it doing that? I swear we fixed that. Let's double check if that's happening locally. I really want that to be fixed, because otherwise I'll just keep walking faster and faster. And that will not be ideal. Alright, start fresh. Do the cutscene, though now the cutscene is going to send us to a new level. So I'm gonna have to turn that off. But I should be able to walk around that level. Okay, dude. Oh, I'm still moving. Well, that's interesting. I definitely shouldn't let you finish the cutscene and still be moving positions. Well, I'm definitely not walking faster. So that's interesting. Maybe it's because I went to a new level and I like reset everything. Let's try to replicate. Yeah, let's get out of let's remove the next area from the cutscene. That'd be good to test out too, because I actually don't know. I haven't tested not having the next area in the cutscene. What if it doesn't? What if it blows up? It's very possible. Alright. Let's remove next area right here. Boop. Alright. So if you don't have an X area, it shouldn't do anything. You should be able to just end your cutscene. No, I do not want to be in Thyrus, the void of t-shirt. Okay, we're walking normal, we're able to punch. Oh hey, up and down are working. Why isn't up and down working? Oh, you know what, I don't think I have a weapon defined, that's why. Okay, let's go through this. I really gotta change the position that it sends me to. It takes way too long to get there. See, which is weird, because it should be going just as fast as my normal walking, but it definitely seems slower. Okay, so I'm walking normally. Wait, let's see. So yeah, that's a little bit faster. Yeah, whatever. Okay, I'm confused. It's working fine. What the fuck? Why is it doing the fast walking thing? It's like as if the code's not in stage. You're making an AWS WordPress instance to see if I can get Python to work inside of it. Sick. How do I get the source code for the game to run? The source code for the game. What, my source for my game? The source code? I don't think you want the source code for this game. Not yet. It's more of a, like I said, a game engine. Oh, how does the game run? Yeah, the game runs in my custom theme. So in here, yeah, so it's both. It's PHP and JavaScript and Sass styling. So basically, I have a page template called Explore. This is when you go to Explore, then I'm grabbing a bunch of data from the MySQL database, and this is how I load the game server side. So when you first load it, you're so chill. I'm happy you found my channel too, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, and yeah, keep asking questions. I appreciate it. You're not weird. I am much weirder than you are. Look what I'm doing. No, please do not try to be less weird. I appreciate your unique view on everything, especially all that crazy futuristic AI data stuff you were showing me. It's very cool. Yeah, no problem. But yeah, so everything loads server side here, and then I have to redo it in JavaScript. So like when you go from level to level, I basically run a REST API call to get all this server data. You both are weird. Hell yeah, Beto. You know who's the weirdest man here is Alberto. Weirdest of us all. Hey, the Ryan Wood Show. He's on YouTube. What up, man? How you doing? You gotta get into Twitch, cause we got a nice group of dudes here having a good time. But you do you, man. YouTube works for me as well. And let's get back into this. Okay. So yeah, I already confirmed this works fine. Doesn't matter what I click, I'm still walking the same speed. So I have no idea why this decides. Yeah, look, it's still doing that old issue that I had. I wonder if it's because I'm in a new... Is it because I'm in a new... No. Was it doing it in the old one? Let's restart one more time from scratch and see if this happens again. Because F you if it is still happening. It should not be happening. Yeah, because all the logic is it deletes the click event, it deletes the key down event when the cutscene closes. Unless the way I'm closing the cutscene is screwing something up. Alright, let's see. Let's try this again. Go. doop dap dooba dap. Nope, it's doing it again. That's super weird. What am I doing different in stage? Is there something about the cutscene? I don't think so. I'm just letting him fly around. Well, I think. Yeah, what's up with you, Salverson? Oh look, no, I'm not even going left and right. Yeah, this is all the old issue I already had. So why is it happening again? Remove event listener. Okay. So yeah, all this should be happening fine. Yeah, like none of this should be happening. Like I shouldn't be able to keep clicking around. And let's see, because yeah, this move int function, this is what triggers the walking interval. Oh yeah, isn't there a has event listener? I might be able to make this even better. Like, I probably don't even need to remove these. I can just check if it has an event listener. So if cutscenes... No, if cutscene has an event... Oh, but it won't work for the key down, because that's document. And there's tons of event listeners for document. Shit. And I don't think click is my problem. It's the key down one. Okay, whatever. I have WP installed for the first time in 2 years. That is huge. 100%. Is your name Dow? Freedom Dow. I mean, I don't mind calling you Freedom, but if you prefer another name, I will gladly call you that. But that's sick, Freedom. I really am happy for you. Oh, Graylin. So, completely nothing to do with your... Yeah, Gray works for me. Yeah, so Gray, that's a big moment for you. And believe me, what'd you say, 2 years? That's a different WordPress, my friend. And you're past 6.0. Freedom DAO means path to freedom. There we go. I like it. I like it, Gray. Graylin. Are you in the States? Because that would be weird. I don't get a lot of US people at this hour hanging out with me. It's out often. Oh, it's often a community. Oh, okay. Oh, you're in South Carolina. Hell yeah, man. Well, welcome, fellow US person. I'm over there in Michigan, so not too far. Closer than I used to be when I was in California. But we still have a problem. Why are you getting hit? Because when I hit the keys, I remove the event listener, meaning it shouldn't be able to be used anymore. So that means that the event listeners are coming back, which means that this is getting hit again, but that would only happen if the cutscene is engaged, which shouldn't be possible. Oh, I think I'm doing a redundant check. Whoops. I don't even need to do that. It's already checking for that up above. Well, whatever. It made me feel better, even though I didn't need it. Okay, well, let's see, making code better, even though it's not working. Ooh, let's do that ChatGPT thing. I forget who just told me about this, or to try it. Was it you, Freedom? I mean, Gray? OpenAI ChatGPT. Pop, 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 pop. Let's log on. And I just tell it, give me some sweet doc comments. Give me doc comments for this function. Now I was wondering, this was yesterday. I thought it was you maybe, but somebody was telling me, hey, just throw your function in ChatGPT and it'll give you some really good doc comments. Here we go. Handles key events during a cutscene, allowing progression through dialogue and ending the cutscene. See, that's great. That's exactly what it does. I love an opportunity to share my knowledge building with OpenAI and the ChatGPT Alpha 1 and the early API and prompting how it evolved. Oh yeah, man. I love that too. Boop. Let us use this sweet doc comment. Alright. Ooh, it even adds a cast. Hell yeah. That's important. That's something I hate doing on my own, and I always get it wrong. Alright. Enough fun commenting. Oh, look at this. Key code. No, yeah, I already know that. Okay. Why? So what I want to do is I want to figure out if this is getting hit again. So I'm going to push this up because I know it's not getting hit locally. It's funny, if you can just think like Sherlock Holmes, almost anything will be possible along with ChatGPT. Kind of encouraging. You may not know exactly, but it will encourage you. I use ChatGPT for encouragement a lot, where I'm like just not comfortable in a certain language or with a certain library or something, and I'm just like, hey, what about this? And it's like, gives me an answer. I'm like, okay, cool, I knew that answer, but now that you said it, it's like it's a rubber duck, you know? I rarely just take code out of ChatGPT because I don't know how it works. You know what I mean? Like, I want to know what I'm using and why I'm using it. But it definitely gets me there a lot quicker than looking through fucking documentation all day. Jesus Christ. What a nightmare. Alright, let's push this. Because most documentation is not well organized, or sometimes it's out of date or whatever. And no matter what program or language I'm on, if I can get a prototype working, I can build whatever on it. So step one is just fucking get it running, like a Next.js app. Just get it running. Get me a route. Now I know how to do it. Now I can create whatever. I can create a whole website with a next app. Well, that's how you learn. Just try using shit. Break it. Fix it. Troubleshoot it all day. Realize what things do. How they're used. How the folder structure is. Do it wrong. Build a complete shit theme, website, plugin. And then make it better. And then you know what not to do. Because knowing what not to do is half the battle. Knowledge is power. The more you know. Let's flush. Boop. Okay, let's see this console error. I really need to know what the F is going on. I'm gonna start fresh again. I have a feeling it has to do with the way I'm like going from area to area. And if I can replicate steps, how to cause that stupid multiple interval call, and I should be able to handle this. So let's get into this. Let's get into the console. Let's look for hey. I don't know if it has pushed the code up yet, but let's try it out. So hey should run when I end this. Okay, it's not. But it definitely is already doing this. That is so weird that that happens. Alright, let's clear my local cache. Doop-a-doop. Schmoop-a-poop. And a boop. Sorry to ask. You're in WordPress. Do I create a page or a post to start with, say, pop, pop, pop? That would be a page. Posts are like articles, so they can have like subdirectory paths of categories and stuff like that. So a page would be your root things that you want to make, your normal pages. Yeah, start with pages. You know, like even my website, orbem.com, like these are all pages. So they all just boom, they're right off the subdirectory. But in my news section, this is my blog, right? So if you read this, it looks like a page, but if you were to put this inside of a category, then it would have a subdirectory of the category, and you can't do that with pages. Now you can make a parent-child relationships with pages, but posts have a specific functionality in WordPress, and it's usually for articles, and that's why we make custom post types, because we don't want to use posts for things they're not meant to be used for, because in the database it gets confusing. Everything is technically a post though. If you look in the database, it's all in the post table or post meta table. So pages are a post type. Post is a post type. You know, all my post types I created, like explore area, explore character, those are all custom post types. So technically all posts, but they have different relationships. You can't categorize a page. So taxonomies are just for posts. Okay, hopefully this is cleared now. Let's give it one more, just for good measure. And then let's... Yes, and keep asking as many questions as you can while I'm here. Use me. And hey, if Beto's still on, he's a WordPress programmer too, so you guys could always chat amongst yourselves as well. And if you really want to get froggy, jump on the Discord. I don't know if you're already part of the Discord. Either of you. I think Beto is. I could be wrong. I always mix up who's where. But I will put this in. It's got a good amount of channels for game dev, web dev, music, writing. So you can jump into any of those channels and ask questions, and somebody should help. You are very experienced, but always happy to learn. Not a good feeling personal projects, that's for sure. Yeah, well, personal projects don't, put food on the table. Unless they're like really badass and you sell it to Google or something. Depends on the level of personal project. If you're in your basement creating computers like Bill Gates, I think it's a very lucrative personal project, personally. But yeah, WordPress video game, not the most lucrative, but fun. Alright, we don't need this anymore. Okay. Let us start a new game. And I should see Hey show up. Wait, where did I put Hey? I put Hey in cutscene keys. So this is when you... This is getting loaded. Yeah, as a quick event. So this should just get loaded offhand. When you click or use key down. Alright, let's go. Boop, 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 boop. But this only happens if you're in a cutscene. So right now when I click to the right, I should see Hey. Which I'm not. Alright, some shit is going on. I hope I'm not doing the same thing where I'm pushing code to production and on stage. No. I am pushing the stage. So why does it seem like some of the JavaScript has not cleared? This was kind of happening yesterday too. Oh, I should definitely push the theme deletion. Yeah, I'm really confused actually. Because it just seems like the JavaScript hasn't updated. And the fact that I'm not seeing my console log has pretty much confirmed that the JavaScript has not updated. Which is good, because that means nothing's actually broken. But bad because, what the fuck? I'm really tired of not knowing how to reset my shit. Because I mean, I'm in-queuing this with the version as a timestamp, I think. Like, let's see here. In-queue. In-queue scripts. Doop-a-doop-a-doop. In-queue. These are all inline shit. Okay, I need register, not in-queue. Register script. So, let's see here. Explore, here we go. Yeah, see, look, it's a fucking time. So every time you reload the site, it should clear the cache. That just means that this file's not getting there at all, which is really weird. And it's definitely compiled, so it's gotta be like a way to brute force this shit. And I have cache, it's not even on, technically. Like I don't even have cache on, WP cache is off. I keep flushing the cache. But it's just taking forever. What the fuck? Oh shit. Important deployments. 12:12. Okay, well I just got an email saying that the site code... Maybe it just really takes that long for the site code to get pushed. That is... I mean, I don't know. I can't knock them for that, but... I wish it was faster. I also feel like I've been pushing up code for like since a while ago, so... But now I'm gonna have that dumb Hey console in there. Okay, let's try this again. No, I should have a Hey console. Still gonna do the same shit. Yeah, it's just still not updated. That is frustrating. Let's see if we can cache bust this real quick. Okay. Boop. Boop, boop, boop. No. It cares not. Oh, that's weird. It took off the preview nods. Does it not? Yeah, look at that. It's just stripping it. Well, that's not cool. What's your deal? Can I turn that off? I mean, I need query params. Right? Give them back. Skip the wait. No, I don't need that. I don't want to reset. I mean, the cache clearing doesn't work. So what's that about? No thanks. Cool. Oh man, this is annoying as fuck. So this is good. Good. Ooh, PHP version is up to 8.1. Gotta be careful. I got a lot of old PHP coding style stuff that 8.2 doesn't work well. Can you explain child theme again? Do I make a new folder with child name? Yeah, so child theme is pretty simple. Hell yeah. So what you're gonna do is in the themes folder of your WordPress instance. Oh nice, a widget. Good old widget. You're gonna create a new directory called whatever. Mine would be Myropelia child. Okay, and then within this directory, you'll create a new file called style.css. Boop. And then in here, you're going to add a dot comment. Just copy the 2024 dot comment at the top. And then what you're going to do under theme name, which this is going to be child, you're going to put template. And you're going to put the name of the parent theme. Right? I'll zoom in here. You can see it a little better. So I have my new theme name, which is the child. And then I have the old one as the template. And that should be it. So now when I go in to my local, boop. Oh, I could have gotten the themes directly. And then I go to themes, which is under appearance, themes. Now I have Myropelia child, okay? And the details are, this is a child theme of Myropelia. It's literally, it's one file. Yeah, it's just style CSS with a dot comment in it. So now if I activate this, it shouldn't do anything. It should just be taking everything from the parent theme. So if I go to the front end now, it's the same shit, right? So all my theme code from the parent theme is loading. Unless I, went out of my way to do something like this. So like in this case, I'll steal header from the old theme. I'll throw it in the root. So this is like a new file now. And now I can say, what, header. This is a child version. And so this is inside my child theme. And if I load this, now you see this is a child version. So it replaces any file that has the same name as the parent with, with the code from the one that you have now inside your child theme. And if I went ahead and just went back to my parent theme, no harm, no foul, and I refresh, you see it goes away. It looks the same shit. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Child themes are pretty sick. And they're very easy to work with. You know, easy to iterate on. And like I said, any change that happens to the parent theme will be taken from the child theme, so you don't ever have to make updates twice or whatever. So we're still in a problem state where the goddamn stage site is not taking the newest version of our code. And I don't know why. Come on, buddy. Go again. Yeah, and I'm gonna be, I'm thinking about doing some long form videos, just little tutorials. I mean, there's a billion tutorials out there, but I work on really simplistic methodologies of developing in WordPress, where most, you know, tutorials are going to be about making really complex shit, or, you know, how to do really basic things in WordPress, but not like doing advanced things in a basic way. Like just the way like I create a page using Gutenberg blocks instead of like creating a bunch of custom blocks and making it all complex. And then how I can turn those blocks into something that's really advanced, like a UI system like this. Like these are all regular blocks, right? Okay. Come on, buddy. Give me something. Yeah, kinda give up on you, stage site. I'm definitely deploying to you now. Like, this isn't the same issue I was having yesterday where I was deploying to production. I mean, the only thing I can think of is maybe the JavaScript's not getting deployed when I'm deploying. I don't think I have a git ignore. I'm gonna double check that though. Cause yeah, it doesn't give a shit. I mean, this is just the same stuff. So let's go assets dist JavaScript. So explore min is good. And then my, see, I don't even think I have a git ignore, which makes sense, but it would be Crooktooth just followed. Uh-oh.
Crooktooth just followed.
See, why did I say that? He said it for me. So used to reading myself. What up? We got Ryan Wood in the house, also known as Crooktooth. This is the dude I'm making a lot of these new songs with that you hear in the background. He's the other singer, screamer, you know, melody genius. Yeah, what up, Crooktooth? I still really like that name. I know you kind of just came up with that band name on the fly or whatever, just for your personal projects, but I don't know. There's something about it. I know it could be gross, too, if you think about it, but I don't know. Crooktooth. Just like, I think you get it, you know? You know it's going to be existential music, but you know it's also going to be grungy and metal. That's exactly what it is. Speaking of which, let's go ahead and play the newest track, Crooktooth track. This is my cut, so it might sound a little different than yours. Yeah, and we're gonna be getting these songs up on a distributable area at some point so people can start listening to them and on YouTube and stuff. But for now they just live on SoundCloud and in my streams. Yeah, where's my the kid ignore? That's what I'm looking for. I don't. Hell yeah, child theme activated. You're getting there, man. I'm gonna log out and log back in. I don't know. Four more followers. Though the real number is 50. I need 50 to be whatchamacallit, affiliate. So I can start playing ads and shit. Sell out. But yeah. Yeah, this is the third goal. The first goal was 10, the second was 20, and I hit 20, and then now it's at 30. I think they just like reset them every 10 followers. Getting there. And then on YouTube I need 500 subscribers in order to monetize. But, you know, that's a lofty goal. I mean, I think I'm at like 78 now, but, you know, that's a long ways away from 500. Okay, I have signed out, I have signed back in. I will flush the cache. I'm really tempted to like just reset staging and then push the code back up. Hell yeah, man. To the moon. That's what I'm shooting for. Really need to get out of this whole day job situation. Bosses are not my style, you know. Does 2024 have widgets? Yeah. Yeah, 2024 widgets are a little bit different now in the newer WordPress. So widgets are part of the full site editing system. So if you go to widgets, which widgets are part of settings, or they're part of the customizer now. I know it changes depending on what theme you have. So if I go here, I think I still... Wait, did I just remove the theme? I think I did. My default themes. Yeah, I did. But if I go into, like, The Ryan Wood Show. Oh, didn't I already try this? I don't remember my login. Shit. I think it's Scott. The Ryan Wood Show. Or is it Scott Adrian? Or is it Scott? Shit. I haven't logged into the site in a second. Oh, you know what? I think I can get into it from the host. Aha. Sites. Background. Back way of getting in. Okay, here we go. Yeah, let's go to the Ryan Wood Show. Speaking of the Ryan Wood Show, the Ryan Wood is here. This is who Crooktooth is. He is the Ryan Wood. Here we go. WP admin. I'm getting in. Backdoor in. There we go. What up? And now, okay, here we go. So 2024 is right here. So if I activate this, because I will unactivate it soon. Widgets are inside the customizer, if I'm not mistaken. So you go to customize. Yeah, see, this is a full site editor system, so maybe it's not in here. I know they move it around depending on the theme. It's not the editor. Is it tools? No. Theme file editor, plugin file editor. No. Yeah, what's the widget URL actually? Because I can just go to it directly. Widget URL WordPress. It's a doop doop doop. Doop 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 doop. No. Doop 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 doop. Show me the widget URL. Yeah, see, customize widgets. Yeah, it's just I don't really use widgets anymore because there's like other ways to accomplish widgets. You could just, you know, register a custom post type like I do, and then now you have a bunch of posts that you can use like widgets, or you can just create menus depending on what kind of thing you're doing. But let's see, maybe in the editor. Oh, this is the same thing. What about navigation? No, that's menu. Pages. No. Templates. These are just templates. I don't think we need to do that. Patterns. Yep, these are just patterns. Very cool. Template parts. Yeah, I mean, I like the full size editor. It's pretty cool. In the 2024, you can basically create everything within the Gutenberg editor system. But I know you can get to widgets. And it used to be in the customizer, which is right here, but now the customizer is oh wait, did I get somewhere different? This is different. Oh yeah, use site editor. Okay, got it. Yeah, so this is the normal customizer. Yeah, we used to be able to go to widgets here. Maybe we should just try widgets.php. That might work. The theme you're not using widget aware. Ah, no sidebars. Got it. Yeah, and again, like widgets are for sidebars usually. You wouldn't use a widget like as a feature inside the content or something. You would just use blocks for that, or short codes. So if you want to just develop a short code in order to put your feature on the page, you can do that pretty simply as well. But I guess it depends on what you're trying to do with the widgets, because it doesn't seem like 2024 has them though. You can try one of the older themes that might have them available, like 2022 might have them. Let's see. Customize. Oh yeah, let's just try widget PHP. This might not have it either. No, not this one. Though you could enable them in your child theme, I guess, if you really wanted to use them. Let's try 2021. Let's do widgets.php. There we go. So 2021 has them. If you really want to use widgets, this is a widget area. You have to define it, and then you put the widget area inside your template, right? And now you can add blocks to widgets and use the Gutenberg editor for it. So here's a bunch of widgets that aren't being used anymore. But like, if you wanted to register a new widget, you would go here. Okay, I think you could. How would I? Can I just register one here? I don't think so. I think you have to yeah, I think you have to register it in code, a new widget area. I think this theme just has footer available right now for widgets. So you'd have to like register a sidebar, then register a widget to that sidebar, and then it would show up here. But like I said, I mean, it depends on what you want to do. Because if you're, like I said, if you're trying to just load a piece of code in from the back end, then I would use shortcodes. It's the easiest way. I'm going to revert this back to the proper theme. Goodbye. The Ryan Wood Show, which is a child theme. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's get out of here. Yeah, and if you want to register a shortcode, it's pretty easy. I have a custom setup on my theme, so I don't need to do it the traditional way, but if you're going to get into shortcodes... So like I have a shortcode for my registration form, right? So all it is you do add shortcode, you put the shortcode name in there, and then you have a callback function that you call out. And you could add whatever attributes you want to it. So in the shortcode, you can put parameters in there, and then it just basically dump out whatever code you have inside that function. Like in this case, I'm just returning HTML. But like you could make your API calls here, pull all your Python data, and output it with the shortcode inside of a page. And like in this case, for mine, I'm already logged in. But if you go to the registration page, or pages, actually I might have it here too. I might not actually. No, I think I'm using the shortcode encode. I think I have the shortcode in my register. Boop. Let's go to register. So in register, it's like that. It's really simple. There's a shortcode block. Then you just put the little shortcode, which is just an open bracket, close bracket with the name of the shortcode inside. And I could technically enter in parameters, you know, param equals, you know, whatever, true, and that'll get passed to that function. So this is how I like to add custom code into pages without going too crazy. I thought I already fixed this image. Oh, I'm in my local. I did fix this image. Yeah. Oh, hey, it's playing the song again. What up? So now we're back to my problem, which is the stage site refuses to update. It refuses to update. Alright. Let's try incognito. But I'm really feeling like my code's just not pushing to stage anymore. And I do not know why. Okay, let's try it out. Nope. It cares not. Damn. This is crazy. I wonder why it refuses to update. Let's go back to my stage site. I'm gonna just push it fresh, I guess. But I wonder if I reset the stage site, will it detect that it has changes to be made? Wait, what did I do? I compiled. What did I compile? Did this just never go out? I'm gonna look real stupid if for some reason I just didn't compile the JS, though. I mean, I definitely have pushed up since I've compiled, but I don't know. I hope it's that stupid, because I'm really tired of not being able to work on this damn level. Hey, it worked. Trusted. That's good. Alright, come on, buddy. Let's... Wait, this is production. Get me out of here. Wait, what? Where's my... post? What the hell? Oh, maybe I just went back. Well, I just opened a bunch of old tabs for nothing. A boop. A doop. Doop. Okay. Close, close. I'll leave that open. Close, close. Yeah, that's good enough. And let's close that. Perfecto. Alright. When did this come in? It just came in an hour ago. That is... Oh, here we go. This just came in right now. Okay, well technically the code should be good now. Oops. Go back. Yeah, there we go. That's what I was trying to get to. Oh, I must have clicked on the site instead of the product. Okay. That makes sense. Let's clear the cache just for good measure. And let's hope that this stupid JavaScript updated so I can move forward. Because right now I am the Flash. Which Iona's supposed to be the fast one, not Graham. Graham is super normal, except for the whole transporting thing. Okay, let's refresh. Let's also clear browser cache. And let's refresh again. Okay, new game. Start fresh. Please do not fucking walk really fast. Ah, look it. We have hay. It updated. Damn it. Maybe I didn't compile. Wait, it's still going fast though. See, it said hey 5 times. Well, I guess that's how many times. Is that the problem? But that's not a problem in local. I mean, it is only... It's not saying hay anymore, but wait, what is... Where did I put the hay? Cutscene keys, okay. Huh. So that's for spacebar. And then this is for dialogue. Which... I do that. And then I remove it at the end. But is it... Maybe it's going fast because of the 5 times I hit. It shouldn't though. No, because it's only supposed to go when there's no more next P's. So why was this getting hit 5 times? I mean, yeah, we know why it's getting hit 5 times, the click event, but I mean the key event, but why is it still going fast? So I need to put this console inside this function. I need to see if this is getting hit 5 times. Or see how many times it's getting hit and when it's getting hit. So this will actually be much more telling. And I'm compiling. Fuck. Let's make sure that it actually compiled too when I push it. This is the second day in a row that I have wasted time trying to get this stage site work, and it's my fault. I am tired of it. Come on, buddy. So what are you doing, Grayland? How's your site coming? Are you going to use shortcodes? That's what I want to know. Okay, good. This is good. Yeah, in the quantum circuit. Okay. That sounds good. You better have a good stage site going so I can see what you're doing at some point. Because Flywheel actually has, I think they have some like just free hosting options too. Like trials at least. I forget exactly what that is, but I also was it any of you? I don't know who it was, but somebody was asking me for free hosting, and I found freehosting.com. It actually seemed pretty legit. I mean, if you're just kind of trying to get something out there for people to see, it's free. I signed up, and I used another domain I had, which is, was it this one? Twirls? Yeah, I think it's Twirls. By the way, great domain name. Whirls. Fire Whirls. This is a secret project about a mug that can heat and stir your drink. You heard it here first. Not so secret anymore. Sorry, Weaver. Had to nail that domain name though. Very good. Okay, well, it says it's updated. So let's clear this. And let's see where the F, this hay, or how many times this hay is getting hidden now. Because this is some straight up bullshit. It does seem like I'm not getting any faster though. So whatever is causing this duplicate interval seems to be stopping when you get to, you know, after I stop the cutscene. Which is correct, because when the cutscene's over, click events go away, key down events go away. So I'm hoping I can find out what, you know, how many times it's getting hit, and that should probably be telling. Okay, let's refresh. Try it again. We'll just do a new game for fun. Okay, so hay gets hit. Good. So we know that the code updated. Hay is the initial load of my walking. So I'm walking at a normal pace. Doop doop doo 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 doo. So now I'm gonna do the cutscene. Okay, well hay's not getting hit, so it's definitely not happening here. Hay got hit again. Which is correct. So that means that the original interval is not getting removed. Which is a problem. But we can double check if that's true. So we have this hay, so this is start interval. And then let's see where I remove the interval, which actually technically the start interval is right here. So let's double check that this is actually getting removed. Okay, so here's the clear interval. It's my gradual move. Oh, motherfucker. I think this is why. I'm not clearing their interval. Because my character is not being moved. This only gets removed if I have a new movement spot. See, that's wrong. Yeah, that's wrong. No. What's wrong is that I'm making the movement happen again after the cutscene is over. I should be making the movement happen again after I'm done here. Maybe that's how I handle this. And I shouldn't be removing. Yeah. I never should be removing it unless I'm here. I just shouldn't be. Okay, yeah, this is a little bit of a logic change. So this is the problem. I shouldn't re-engage movement because I'm not removing it except for when the person moves. So let's just get rid of this because there's no need for it, I think. Yeah, none of this, like. I think I get why I'm doing that though, because this movement here sets this to true, movement allowed. So I should just do that instead, which is fine. Yeah, I think we got it. I think we nailed it. So instead of that, oh no, that's the initial one, isn't it? Yes, that is. Movement int function. Here we go. So instead of this, I should just do this. And the same thing there, and same thing. Wait. Remove engage. Wait, where was it before? Yeah, it was here. Okay. So same thing here. Same thing here. Okay. Very good. So now we have allow movement is set back up so I can walk again, but I'm not recalling the interval. The only time I'm going to recall the interval is when I remove it, and that would be during the move character functionality. I think we got it. I think this is it. And then this is being called here and being called at the beginning. Okay. I like it. I think this is it. Yeah, because I didn't think about it. You know, 9 times out of 10, the cutscenes I'm not going to be moving automatically, so there's no reason to reinstate the movement thing because it's never been removed. Push it up. That bug should be gone. I think eventually I'm gonna get Ryan Wood on the streams with me. And we'll do some stuff together. We have a good interview that he did of me. I think it's in one of my posts. I pushed it out on YouTube. We had some fun convos. He's one of my, one of, if not longest known friend since we were babies. So, lots to talk about from the past. Alright. This has been pushed. I should be getting an email soon saying the same junk. Come on, buddy. Desktop notification, yes please. That way I don't have to sit here and watch this, it'll just tell me. Okay, I don't need you anymore. It's always good to keep the tabs low, especially when I'm fucking running OBS, which is a nightmare. Oh, that should be gone now. I don't need you anymore. Okay. Why did I get logged out? That's weird. Boop. Doop. Perfecto. Okay. Oh, came in. Good. Staging site's ready. Let's clear the cache. And I think we're going to be bug free. This is it. Yeah, I'm ready for it. Let's go, Graylin. I built a quantum simulator with JavaScript and WordPress. OMG. Hell yeah. Let's go. Alright, let's see the mastermind, the mad scientist at work. Connection not private. No way, man. Just kidding. Whoa, what the hell? Qubit 4, Qubit 5, Qubit 6. Quantum weather. Dude, what am I looking at? It's a 7 qubit setup. Toffoli, swap, RZ, Rye, RX, RNAP. This is what I'm interested in. Nice. Okay, so these are just SVG code that you dynamically generated, I'm guessing. And then here's your quantum circuit. Hell yeah. And Python backend. This is just a visual. Okay. So Python is generating this visual, right? With the data set. Dude, that's so cool. Oh no, it's just all JavaScript. Okay. Oh, hell yeah. Let's see the code. Courtesy of ChatGPT, share me your code. Wait, what? Oh. Oh, here we go. Quantum search. Oh, so you just developed a widget. That's sick. Okay. Yep. Very cool. So eventually you'll be able to hook this up. Yeah, like I said, yeah, you're surprised that JavaScript, you know, was so easy. This is why I work in vanilla JavaScript. It's very logical. You know what I mean? I mean, once you know the little helper functions and stuff like that, it's 1 + 1 = 2. It's very logical. It's easy to read. It's easy to fix later on. Working code's at the bottom. Okay, let me just scroll down for it. Yeah. Widgets, it's just an old thing in WordPress. You want to do, like I said, a short code at the very least. Or just dump it in an HTML block. You're using a plugin now called CSS, and JavaScript Toolbox lets us inject it. JS Anywhere. Yeah, perfect. That's what WordPress is for. Super simp. Simp setup, simp usage. Yeah, and you got your D3. D3 is very powerful. This is cool, man. All at the tips of your fingers. Okay, now what we're gonna do is see if I can sign off for the night, because I think I got this working. I think we're good. So happy I made this. You got me vibing. Hell yeah, man. Getting the juices flowing. I like it. Glad I could inspire at all. Start interval. Okay. We're good. Doop, 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 doop. Oh, look. He's walking at normal speed. I fixed it. And he's walking away. Hell yes. I hated that bug. That bug was so stupid. Okay, now he's in his office. Let's walk to the CEO's office. Doop, 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 doop. And he's gonna send me to the CEO's office now. Any day now. Okay, I'm in the office now. And now I'm gonna walk up to his desk. You know, I'll start from the right. I keep going from the left. Go here. He's pacing nervously. Oh, maybe that's why I keep going. Oh, see now it's moving me to his desk in the position. And I'm gonna talk to him. What do you want to talk? Blah, blah, blah. Okay, I finished our talk, and now I'm going to Thyrus. Yes, we're in Thyrus. It's obviously blank. I don't know why it's blank, actually. Why is Thyrus blank? No console errors. There's obviously some loading time issues, some optimization we need to make, but oh yeah, look, I'm in Thyrus. Why is the background image not working? Did I spell something wrong? I don't know, it looks right. Weird. Yeah, that's right. We got stuff. We got magic. We got me. Here's the default map. We have the SVG code. This is the collision points. Everything's here. Weird. It's just for some reason not loading. Was there a console error for that? For the image? Maybe this is not a good image URL. Hold on. Though I think it was uploaded, so this should work. Oh, I used the weird ass image. That's why. I think I'm like right here. Hold on. I thought I used the map. No, I'm still not. Oh yeah, here we go. I found it. Welcome. Welcome to Thyrus. Jesus Christ. Welcome back. I'm here. I made it. Where's my big face? Oh, I'm eating myself. Oh yeah, and I have the collision points set up behind this. What I'm more interested in is my giant face. Let's see if I can find it. It's gonna take a while to get there. This is a big image. You really need to update that side view. I know. I still have your beautiful side view, Beto. But we're not there yet. We're not to the asset updating phase yet. I also need to make a GIF version of yours, the one you made, where it looks like he's walking. Hopefully not stomping like the way I have it now. It'll probably look better. Alright guys, we did it. That was super successful. What did we learn? We have the ability to do the cutscene functionality. Go boop. NPC can walk any path he wants now. I can be forced into a position at the beginning of a cutscene or at the end. And when a cutscene ends, we can also go to a new level. Those are all very important functionalities, and now I can start working on Thyrus, which is pretty cool.
This is a fight that you will
Oh god. Hold on. Get me out of here. Alright everybody. Well, I would really like to raid one of my favorite streamers, if you don't mind. He is another game dev, and you know, you don't have to stick around too long, but might as well say hi. Let's see if we can get him on. Let's search. Let's actually see real quick if CS Shell Studio is on. C Shell Studio. C Cell. No? He's not. Can't I? Yeah, following. Here we go. No, he's not on right now. But Grumble Pugs is. So we're gonna raid Grumble. And he only has one guy on right now. He's playing a new game right now too, so this should be fun. Start the raid. And yeah, I really appreciate you guys jumping on with me. And I'll catch you on the next stream. Have a great day, morning, night, whatever time it is for you. See you, everybody. And I will say goodbye to you, YouTube.